Okay, this is Sunday, the 17th of July, 2022. We have just come out of a disappointing visit to the Georgia State Farmers Market, which we sort of anticipated. We have come up, we're about to turn left on US 1941, Georgia 3. Georgia 331 is straight ahead. South is to our right, north is to our left, and I think this is Jonesboro Highway. No, maybe not. Maybe Jonesboro Road or Jonesboro Highway is the next one. Maybe Georgia 54. But we're going to turn left here. Gas is $3.82. It's sort of a surprise to be this close to the freeway and in Atlanta at $3.82. But we'll turn it off here right now. Then when we turn left and start going down 1941, we may go through Atlanta on 1941 and get the Atlanta video of that. I'm gonna go ahead and get the Osmo ready in case, the GoPro ready in case this Osmo gives me grief, or gives us grief. As old as it is, as much video as it's done, it has been great, but it is showing signs of age. Okay, turning left, we're headed north. Georgia 19, Georgia 41. 41 will take you all the way down to Miami. And I'm not sure where all it goes up north. I'm not sure where all 19 goes. Quick trip. We're going to pull over here somewhere right here in a minute and get ourselves situated for a longer drive. Guess we could do it right here in the quick trip. Sunday, the 17th of July, 2022. Boy, that was a short light. It is 12:30 in the afternoon, mid-80s. We have just turned left, headed north on US 1941, Georgia Highway 3. We're not going to take 285, east or west. East is to the right, west will be across the road, or across the freeway and loop around. We're going to go through the bottom end of Atlanta, and I think it's going to take us up past Old Fort Mac and into southwest Atlanta and out north side. We'll probably hit 75 north once we get through Atlanta. Work our way over one. Well, I guess we would have been okay. This area has changed, like everything, it's changed a lot. I am very unfamiliar with this area. I've got to watch carefully, watch these street signs, or I will get off track. And like all over Georgia, they've been doing road construction and still are. So what little I did know about this area has been changed. Conley Road to the right. I don't. Does that bring us out over in Conley? It makes sense to, but I don't know. That'd be a good one to take and go through Rex, Georgia. It may take us over around Old Fort Gillem. I think Georgia Archives is somewhere around here. They've got that huge warehouse where they got all the Georgia Archives, but that's, I think it is, but I don't know that for sure. We'll probably make 2 or 3 videos cutting through here because we'll be turning the camera on and off quite a bit, I suspect. Entering Fulton County, I guess from Clayton. Maybe from the cab, I don't know. I guess this is going to bring us into East Point, maybe? I don't know. College Park? I don't know where it's bringing us. Yeah, I know. Stewart Cathy Memorial Drive. Now somewhere along here, I think we turn right. I haven't seen any sign saying 4119. Look at all this new construction. These would be apartments. I'm pretty sure they're not townhomes. Or lease, yep. Where are all of these people coming from? There's the clutch over there. It looks like some kind of low rent rendezvous club. Chick-fil-A Dwarf House. That looks a little different, doesn't it? $4.29. Just back the road down there, the gas was $3.82. We came through here about a year ago and got video, I think, coming the other way. I think it used to be an old A&P store down here. I think we parked right here on the left and got some pictures. Yeah, Atlantic and Pacific Tea Company right there. North Fulton Avenue. Okay, 41 and 3, go to the right. So we will be turning right here. The way these clouds are building, look like we could have some strong storms this afternoon. We have gotten hungry, and as north side 41 is not far from the varsity, we might just have to have, well, what do you have? What do we have? What do we have? We're gonna have, if we do that, I don't know, I'm not really in the mood for varsity today. That's sort of unusual, but like to have a really nice, about third pound hamburger, nice big patty. What's that? Everywhere, all over the place. Now he's cooking. I wonder if he'd be nice enough to share. More than likely he would. Yeah, look at all this new stuff and renovated stuff. Tremendous amount of money has been spent all over Georgia and these Georgia cities with these towns and little towns and big towns like this too, remodeling and new construction. Tires and rims. I need to call them. I need some 96, 97, 98 Jeep rally wheels, 16-inch for my Grand Cherokee. Traffic hasn't been bad. There's your picture of the Atlanta skyline. We've got one bumper car. We'll pull over here in a minute and let them get by. Or they'll be able to get by now. Cleveland Avenue. Yeah, Cleveland Avenue. I was thinking this is Metropolitan Parkway, which used to be Stewart Avenue. Yeah, Stewart Avenue had a pretty notorious but well-earned reputation, and the city of Atlanta trying to change the image, change the name. There's the Gold Rush Show Bar. And right there on the left used to be Nally Chevrolet. Just an empty lot now. Flashers. Flashers is gone now too. If I'm not mistaken, somebody help me out. There used to be a restaurant up here with a tree growing up in the middle of it. It was a very good restaurant. Really liked it. I guess I should have stopped for him. He didn't mash the button though. The light, well, there weren't any lights, flashing lights for that. Got to watch. Need to stop for these people. But it seems like it's right along in here somewhere. There was a very good restaurant with a tree in the middle of it. A little help from the viewers. I need a lot of help from the viewers. I give out so much wrong information, it's actually pathetic. I don't do it intentionally, except every now and then. Crossing under Lakewood Freeway. They call it Lakewood Freeway here, 166. Okay, let's start another one from Lakewood Avenue. That'd be a good break point.